तीनों तीन में दाहिने चलेगा, दाहिने मुड़, अप, प्लस, ऐसे, तेज, चल, 1, 2, 3।
Accept the greet of Kshitij Kant. Right now I'm in state capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, in Eco Garden, where you can see the aspirants of 2016 UPSI vacancies are seated in protest from past 11 days. It's the new way of unemployment. You will qualify for the examination, you will complete the training, you will complete your medical, you will complete your training, and after that, if you are not getting your joining, what you will do in the case? I want to ask a question from all the aspirants who are preparing for the examination for the vacancies in UP. It's a question from all of you. If you are preparing, you are not getting your job after qualifying the examination, what you will do? Here are the aspirants. One of the person is standing along with me from this protest. He has qualified for the examination. He has completed his medicals. And after that completion of his training, he hasn't got his job. He hasn't got his joining. Let's try to know what they did in past 4 years and why they are seated in this protest. Is any person from the government or any politician have visited them and had talked them? Let's talk him. It's 11 day. Any of the politician from the government have visited you and talked you today?
Many politicians visited, but we stopped everyone because we are not political. We need our appointment, so we are requesting that government should take initiative to make us appointment. But government officials and not administrations, anyone, whether it is government of UP or other, it's administration. No one came here to know us why I am doing this.
You are seated in why you are seated in protest. They didn't talk to you and they didn't try to know why you are seated.
Yes, we first of all on 25th August we went Bharti Board and protest there. But where the Prashashan and Shashan take into the bus and left here. So from that days we are protesting here peacefully, and we are requesting that government should take initiative their own, and we all 2486 candidates makes us appointment.
I want to know any person from the state government. BJP government is going on in current period. I want to know any political person from BJP government has visited here or not.
No, BJP persons no came here.
Nobody came.
Nobody came here.
I want to know from past 4 years what all you did after qualifying your examination, after qualifying your training, because after training you were led to sit at your home. What you did in these past 4 years?
For 4 years we are loitering here and there, and that times we completed our training. But after that, from 14 months we are at home doing nothing. I have also left 2 jobs in that period. Many candidates of us left their jobs who are also well settled, and they are getting a promotion in 2 to 3 months, but they left and joined this job. But after this government's actions, we are nothing. In economical point of view, we are very weak. Many people are very weak. I think
many of you will be belonging to a BPL section of the society.
Yes, they are very suffering. Many of us
financial conditions.
Yes, financial conditions are very bad, very poor, and socially, economically, we are very frustrated. So after looking this type of behavior of government, we are unable. We are forced to do this.
When this protest will get to end? It's the major question. When this protest will get to end?
This protest will end when our demands will fulfilled. Our 2 demands is very quite clear. First of all, government should go through the Supreme Court and make urgency so that we can clear our order, which is ordered since last month. And finally, we want our appointment, nothing else. If these conditions government fulfill, then we end our protest.
If the government is not listening your voice, this protest is going silently. Will it change its face in that case?
Looks, we are
It will go in this way silently.
we are trained darogas, so we do anything in disciplined manner. If government is not listening, we raise our voice togetherly. We collect more people to join us and raise our voices. If government is not listening, then we take some other actions, whichever is disciplined manner. But we will doing continuously. Until the government is not listening us. This is the end. This is not end. When our condition is fulfilled, we get job, we get appointment, we stop everything.
Till then you will run this protest.
Yeah, of course. Till then we run this protest peacefully. Whatever we do, it will be very peaceful.
You have listened. He was the aspirant of 2016 UPSI election. You can see here the people are doing their protest peacefully. Sundarkand is going on. When I previously done this coverage, they were doing march past and they were showing their skill of training, what they have done at that time. You were listening to Kshitij Khan, and along with I am camera person Anthony Fig from Lucknow.